Hi, this is Mike Rogers, attorney here in Cleburne. I want to talk to you today about something that's sort of a taboo subject. People don't really talk about this very much, but it's the elephant in the room. It's something that occurs frequently. I've handled many uh, sexual assault cases involving children, indecency with children. A indecency case, the touching, if you will, is a second degree felony in Texas, carries from 2 to 20 years. Sexual assault of a child carries anywhere from 5 years to life imprisonment. And if it's continuous sexual assault for more than 30 days or continuous touching for more than a 30-day period, minimum mandatory 25 years to life. So it's a serious thing. And quite frankly, I think this has been an age-old problem from everything I've read and studied about it. Uh, it's been around from the beginnings of our civilizations, but only in the last 30 years, maybe, has it become something that was reported. It was going on for ages, for decades, for hundreds of years. But in the last 30 years, it's really gotten reported. And you see a lot of people being prosecuted for that type of offense. And it's a serious situation when somebody gets charged with that. Not everybody that gets charged is guilty. There's a process that the authorities go through, starting with the Child Advocacy Center, where children are interviewed, they're recorded, their stories are evaluated, analyzed to determine whether or not there's credibility there. Ultimately, if there is a feeling that there is truth to the allegations, then it moves on to the criminal justice system, where the district attorney's office is involved. Grand juries have to listen and learn. Indictments can follow, and then the prosecution itself, which in many instances are resolved through the court systems without a jury trial, but sometimes jury trials are required. So does it mean that everybody that you hear about or read about that is charged with something like this is guilty? No. I could give you multiple situations where people have been exonerated after having been accused of this type of thing. It's a case-by-case situation. And many times these cases are resolved with polygraphs. Always the question is, why would a child lie? Why would a child make something up? Normally they don't, but sometimes they do. And there's multiple reasons why sometimes they do. So just be aware of this elephant in the room. It's out there. It's something that we don't talk about very much. We do occasionally read stories about these things in the newspaper and whatnot. It's an age-old problem, and but now it's really come to light in a serious way, and cases are getting reported, and people are getting prosecuted, and a lot of folks are going to prison for a long time. Plus, they're going to be registered sex offenders, which changes their lives because they're going to be on the Attorney General's list. Difficult to get jobs, difficult to even rent an apartment somewhere. So if you have a problem, again, hopefully not involving this subject matter, but if you have any kind of a legal issue and you need to talk to a lawyer, feel free to give us a call, set up an appointment. You get a free consultation. Come and see us.